Hi guys, all intermediate regular BPC students, short-term students, long-term students, NEET aspirants and their parents. Grand welcome to SBMS Academy of Objective Physics, NEET Entrance Coaching Center. Vanasthalipuram, NGOs Colony Main Road and Hariharapuram Colony, Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. This is Mr. Srushti Bhanumurthy Sharma, Senior Physics Faculty Member, Senior Physics Lecturer, Senior Physics Tuition Master, having 30 years of teaching experience in physics in NEET entrance coaching as well as IIT entrance coaching. We are conducting online physics tuition classes and offline physics tuition classes, and also according to our convenience timings and our available timings, we are conducting home tuition classes also. Tremendous response is coming from the students and parents. We are maintaining this institution since last 10 years. Thanks for joining with me. Now this academic year, for upcoming entrance examination, NEET entrance 2025, we are providing online, offline tuition classes for the sake of students. Okay, in this video, we are presenting last 5 years previous entrance questions from very important chapter, Newton's laws of motion. Already we released 60 videos from my YouTube channel. This is another video class that I am projecting. You please see this video class till end. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. For more and more details and more information, you go through the description box given below. My personal website is bmsphysics.in and my YouTube channel link is @Bhanumurthy3345, 3354, sorry, @Bhanumurthy3354. Okay, let us start the video class very quickly. The entire information I have given to you. Now we are presenting 45 days crash course in physics for NEET entrance examination. Those who want to listen my online classes, offline classes, you directly contact my numbers and reserve your seat. After listening this video class, you can have maximum awareness, I think. I hope you will get maximum benefit from this video class. Let us start the video class quickly. In 2024 entrance examination, from laws of motion chapter, they asked this question. What is that? A horizontal force 10 Newton is applied on the combination of two blocks kept in contact. Two blocks are kept in contact there, A and B. Their masses 2 kg, 3 kg are given there. And force is applied on 2 kg, not on 3 kg. Remember this point. Question is, what is the force exerted by A on B internally? So this is nothing but internal force. Now I'm using this Apple pen, okay, and I'm projecting. I'm writing something here. I'm writing something using red pen here. So the force exerted by A on B is represented with red pen here. And the force exerted by B on A also is internal force. This is called as contact force. This is called contact force. The red pen I am using with Apple pen is nothing but answer. Recognize this point. So what is the answer here? See this very carefully. Contact force formula is there. What is that? Contact force F equals to the ratio of mass on which force is not applied. Force is not applied divided by total mass into applied force. This is the formula we are going to use here. Such type of nearly 30 formulas to 40 formulas will be there in each and every chapter. In order to get good rank in physics, in order to get good rank in NEET entrance examination, if you approach me, you will get the maximum benefit. We will give each and every conceptual formulas, such type of formulas, in detail in our academy. Remember this point. Now let us substitute with the blue pen the values. Mass on which force is not applied means 3 kg, because there is no force on 3 kg. Force is applied on 2 kg, not 3 kg. Okay? Divided by total mass is what? 2 plus 3. Into applied force is 10 Newton. What is the final answer? 3 by 5 into 10, that is equals to 6 Newton. My dear students, within 10 seconds we can finish this problem, okay? So, this question is asked in 2024. Now, in upcoming entrance examination 2025, what type of questions they will ask, they are going to ask? I know it very well. If you approach me, I can give those formulas, concepts clearly to you in my academy. Let us go to next problem quickly. A football player, this is question number 2 asked in 2023. A football player is moving southwards. Now I am representing with blue pen answer. A football player is going southward like this. So he is going southward, suddenly takes turn towards east. See this one. So suddenly turns towards east with the same speed to avoid an opponent. The net force that acts on the player will while turning is. Net force means this is a triangle of forces, my dear students. The triangle of forces, velocities, whatever it may be, vectors. If first two vectors A bar and B bar, A bar and B bar are taken in the same order, and third resultant vector will be taken in the reverse order. I am representing with red pen. Reverse order. Okay, so this is east, actually this is north, it is coming from north to south. So the resultant vector will be northeast direction. Therefore, northeast direction is the correct answer. C. Let us go to next question immediately. See how simple questions they are asking in entrance examination. So if we approach our academy, we will give complete training to you so that you can do nearly 40 questions out of 45, I'm sure. I will give that confidence to you. So this is rank oriented coaching, you know. And a ball of mass, next question 2021 they asked. A ball of mass 0.15 kg is dropped from a certain height. Now I am representing with answer. A ball of mass, so small m, is dropped from a height. What is that? 10 meters. H1 equals to 10 meters. And rebounds to same height. Rebounds to same height. H2 also same. 10 meters. Okay. The magnitude of impulse given in this case. Mass is given how much? 0. Mass is given as 0.15 kg. Okay, so what is the answer for this? Can you expect, my dear students? Okay, so impulse formula is there. Impulse means a change in momentum. Change in moment mv minus mu, mv minus mu, final momentum minus initial momentum, mv minus of minus m, because these two are opposite directions. Opposite directions. These two are opposite directions. So impulse J is equals to delta P. Delta P means P1 minus of minus P2. So opposite directions means P1 plus P2. So initial momentum is positive. Final momentum is opposite, means negative, upward motion. All downward velocities are positive, upward velocities are negative. You know that. So that is equals to mv1 plus mv2. So why we are getting plus? Minus of minus, opposite direction. Downward momentum is positive, upward momentum is negative. Then what is the change? So positive minus of negative, that is positive. So that's why P1 plus P2. My1 plus mv2. So mass m into v1 plus v2. Both velocities are equal, you know. Mass into under root 2gh1 velocity means. So under root 2gh1. Under root 2gh1 and under root 2gh2. Under root 2gh plus under root 2gh, both are same. That equals to 0.15 into 2 into under root 2gh. Okay, my dear students, that is equals to what? 15 by 100 into 2 into under root of 2 into 10 into 10. Height is 10, 200. So final answer is what? 4.2, my dear students. If you do the calculation, you will get 4.2. So within 1 minute, we can do this problem. Okay, very important. In 2025 entrance examination, what type of questions they will ask from impulse? Some more possibilities are there of asking questions from impulse. Okay, let me tell in academy, right? If you join in our academy, we will give that information clearly. Next question, 2019. A block of mass 10 kg is in contact against the inner wall of a hollow cylindrical drum of radius 1 meter. The coefficient of friction between the block and the inner wall of the cylinder is 0.1. The minimum angular velocity needed for the cylinder to keep the block stationary when the cylinder is vertical and rotating about its axis will be. Now, what concept is involved here? This is a cylinder. Recognize this point. Now, inner wall means it has two walls, inner and outer walls like this. Inner wall and outer wall like this. Now, one object is inclined, it is clinged to this inner wall of the substance of the cylinder. So, its mass is acting vertically downwards. I am representing with the blue pen. Its mass is vertically downwards. Weight is vertically downwards. And friction between the wall, inner wall and the block is upward. Friction always opposes the motion. Okay, so normal force means what? This is normal force. Normal force it is, either this or this. So this is a normal force. Okay, so frictional force balances with the weight of the ball or weight of the object here, insect, whatever it may be, duster, insect, whatever it may be, it is rotating along with the rotation of the cylinder. The cylinder is rotating about this vertical axis. This vertical axis. It is rotating about this vertical axis like this. So this duster or insect, whatever object it may be, which is attached to the inner wall of the cylinder, also rotating along with the cylinder. Then what is the concept here? It is stationary. It's not falling down. So what is the balancing condition? Forces should be balanced. Downward force balances with upward force. Downward force means what? mg. Upward force means frictional force. But frictional force is nothing but mu times normal force equals to mg. Normal force is nothing but centripetal force here. mr omega square equal to mg. Then gets cancelled. Mu r omega square equals to g. Mu r omega square equal to g. This is the formula we are going to discuss. Then omega value under root of g by mu r. G by mu r. G value is 10 given, mu value is 0.1 given. Okay, mu into r value 1 given meter. If you substitute, you will get angular velocity value root 10. Omega square you will get 10. Omega will you root 10 radian per second. My dear students, this is very important concept. Mr square omega equals to mu times mr omega square equals to mg. Not only this model, so many other models are there. Now we are going to expect in 2025 entrance exam. Other 3-4 models. If you come to my academy, then you can understand. Okay, you can solve all those problems clearly, right? When an object, next problem is in 2019 question, when an object is shot from the bottom of a long smooth inclined plane, kept at an angle 60 degrees with the horizontal, it can travel a distance x1 along the plane. But when the inclination is decreased to 30 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees, and the same object is shot with the same velocity, it can travel x2 distance. Then what is the ratio x1 divided by x2? Very important and a wonderful concept it is. Comparison. Okay, first one is inclined surface is making an angle 60 degrees. Okay, theta 1 equal to 60 degrees given the block is falling down. It covers x1 distance. Now this inclination has been reduced to 30 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees. Theta 2 equals to 30 degrees. Now the block travels a distance x2. Now he is asking x1 divided by x2. What concept is involved here? Work done is equals to mg sine theta. Okay, so W equals to mg sine theta into x1 because work done is equals to force into displacement. Okay, so force is nothing but this is a smooth inclined surface mentioned here already. For smooth inclined surface, there is no friction actually. Force, downward force is nothing but here this is downward force F. Okay, downward force F is nothing but mg sine theta. Okay, the component of this one. And S means what? X1. So I written this one. Similarly, this W is nothing but half mv1 square equals to mg sine theta into x1. Equation number 1, half mv square. And for the second body, first case it is. For the second case, also half m, same velocity, no? So v2 square also same. That is equals to mg sine theta 2. Theta 1 here and this is theta 2 into x2. This is equation number 2. So V1 square gets cancelled both sides here and here, here and here. So then M is cancelled. Then V1 equals to V2. Okay. So that's why velocity same for both. As a result, what happens? G sine theta into x equal to constant. Sine theta into x value is constant in the sense x1 by x is inversely proportional to sine theta. Therefore, x1 by x2 equals to sine theta 2 by sine theta 1. My dear students, this is the concept. From this concept, we can do what? x1 divided by x2 equals to sine theta 2 means what? 30 degrees divided by theta 1 means sine 60 degrees. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 divided by sin 60 root 3 by 2. Answer is what? 1 by root 3. Answer is 1 is to root 3. My dear students, 1 is to root 3 is the correct answer. Now, next problem let us discuss. Calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car. Maximum acceleration is asking that a body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. So moving car it is, maximum acceleration of the moving car he is asking. Okay, a body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of friction between the body and the floor is 0.15 given there. Okay, so this is the car. This is the car, let us discuss. Okay, so one ball is there. It is at rest position on the floor of the car. Car is moving with some acceleration. Okay, so small g value is mentioned, and coefficient of friction, static friction between these two, I am representing with red pen. So coefficient of static friction between these two is given. What is that? Mu equals to 0.15. Okay, so g value is given there 10. A value is question mark. So frictional force, static frictional force is equals to mu mg. Then ma is equals to mu mg. Gets cancelled. A equals to mu times g. This is a formula, well noted. This is familiar. A equals to 0.15 into 10 means 1.5. This is 1.5. My dear students, this is the way of explanation from SBMS sir, Bhanumurthy, Srushti Bhanumurthy sir. Okay, so if you want 45 days crash course in physics, okay, it is exclusively physics coaching center for NEET entrance as well as IIT entrance coaching. So if you want to listen my online classes or offline classes or home tuitions, you please contact my number and reserve your seat quickly, as quick as possible, because public examinations are going on here. This today, I think it is first year physics. The students are going to write first year physics examination today in AP and Telangana, and in Telangana state, and second year students are going to write examination day after tomorrow, that is on 19th, I think. So after writing an examination, immediately you contact my number and run towards my center, coaching center, or first branch. One is NGO's Colony, Vanasthalipuram. Branch 2 is Hariharapuram Colony, my own house, nearby Dilshukinagar Public School, BN Reddy Nagar, Vanasthalipuram. So this is my own house. Okay, I'm speaking, I'm releasing this video class from my own house. Okay. Uh, so, okay, guys, BPC students, wishing you all the best for your successful journey with Bhanumurthy sir as quick as possible. Okay, wishing you all the best for having wonderful journey and a wonderful, successful life in your journey. Okay, right. See you. Let us meet in the next video class as soon as possible. Okay, we are already started online classes. According to your convenience, we will arrange online classes and offline classes. Run towards me. Okay, if you do hard work, no need to search for the rank. Rank will come towards your legs. That is my slogan. Okay, come with hope, go with confidence, and achieve your goal of best rank. Wishing you all the best. Bye. See you.